We're just 2 days away from recreational marijuana becoming legal here in Ohio.
That's right, but many questions still surround this issue. WCPO 9 News reporter Taylor Nimmo joins us live right now from Sunnyside Dispensary, and she explains everything you really need to know when this law goes into effect. Taylor?
Starting Thursday, Ohioans are going to be able to legally possess and grow marijuana, but don't go running to your local dispensary for recreational use just yet. Even though Issue 2 passed, it's not set in stone.
We're charged with the task of getting this right.
Right now, there are conversations happening among Ohio lawmakers to change the legislation. Issue 2 is a state law, not a constitutional amendment, which means
legislature has, the power to change it. They would even have the power to completely override it.
the proposed changes were discussed at a Senate hearing Tuesday. Both proponents and opponents testified.
We understand the problems with homegrown and with taxes, and how do we fix that, and how do we get the people's wishes? There's not a lot of time that we're allowed to deal with, and we're going to do our best.
What they're debating right now are some really fundamental changes, including abolishing the provision that would allow people to grow this at home, and really changing the shape of the way the taxation would work related to marijuana.
Political science professor David Niven says Issue 2 passed widely across Ohio.
These legislators, are in effect playing with fire if they're going to go back home and say, you voted clearly, the state voted clearly, and I decided I know better. That's a tough message to sell to voters.
So as to what happens Thursday, Ohioans over the age of 21 will be able to legally possess and use up to 2.5 ounces of cannabis. Under the current law, on Thursday, Ohioans can start growing marijuana. However, it does not allow people to sell it. While it will be legal to possess marijuana starting Thursday, you cannot buy recreational marijuana at Ohio dispensaries quite yet.
The day after Issue 2 passed, we had people showing up at our door wanting to make their first purchase. But right now we're selling to medical consumers only. And, we look forward to welcoming everyone in late September, October next year when everything is ready to launch.
Now, as for where people will be able to smoke weed, indoor public places and places of employment are off limits. Reporting live from Sunnyside Dispensary, Taylor Nimmo, WCPO 9 News.